Tehillim 46. For the chief musician, by the sons of Korah, according to Alamot. Elohim is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore we won't be afraid, though the earth changes, though the mountains are shaken into the heart of the seas, though its waters roar and are troubled, though the mountains tremble with their swelling. Selah. There is a river, the streams of which make the city of Elohim glad, the holy place of the Mishkanim of the Elyon. Elohim is in her midst, she shall not be moved. Elohim will help her at dawn. The nations raged, the kingdoms were moved. He lifted his voice, and the earth melted. Yahuwah Tsebaot is with us. The Elohim of Yaakov is our refuge. Selah. Come, see Yahuwah's works, what desolations he has made in the earth. He makes wars cease to the end of the earth. He breaks the bow and shatters the spear. He burns the chariots in the fire. Be still and know that I am Elohim. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. Yahuwah Tsebaot is with us. The Elohim of Yaakov is our refuge. Selah.